Zebec Network once again has gotten stronger with their new Dash partnership, so let's discuss it in today's video. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and we are back talking about Zebec and their new partnership. They are constantly rolling out partnerships left, right, center, going forward. It is so fantastic to see, and it's so fantastic to be a part of. As an investor in Zebec, this is what I want to be seeing, and I'm sure this is what all of you want to be seeing. So let's break it down, their new partnership with Dash, okay? What I've done is I have created a little diagram for everybody right over here explaining the partnership, and we're going to break it down step by step, and then we're going to look at market structure at the end of the video. So number one, ZBCN gains another major payment chain, 19th integrated chain. So adding Dash expands Zebec's multi-chain payment ecosystem. Dash is one of the oldest and also one of the most respected payment-focused cryptocurrencies, and it's known for real-world usage. So more supported chains will equal more users, more volume, more relevance. Okay. Next, we have instant load speed for Zebec cards. So Dash's InstantSend is one of the fastest settlement systems in crypto. Now Zebec is going to inherit that speed for their Silver card, their Carbon card, and their Dash debit card. Okay. I have broken down all of their cards in a past video, so if you haven't seen it yet, go check that out. Next, we have drives new users into the ZBCN ecosystem. So Dash has a large and a long-standing community, right? And it focuses on everyday crypto payments, merchant adoption, and a chunk of those users is now going to inflow into Zebec, right? Whether that's the Zebec cards, whether that's Zebec Super App, whether that's the payment rails. It's just bringing more people into Zebec, and that is what we need. We need as many people to know about this project as possible, right? We want more investors. We want more eyes, okay? Next, we have the Dash debit card, more real-world utility. So Zebec is becoming the official infrastructure now powering the Dash branded debit card. Okay, so it's a single load USD, Euro, and GBP cards. Okay, you can reloadable USD cards, and there's a no limit Dash luxury card also, which is like the high end platinum card basically, right? So this positions Zebec as the, I would say, back end payment infrastructure for an entire chain of a card ecosystem, right? So I think that is very, very important. The Zebec Super App becomes more valuable, right? So this partnership inherently, Dash brings support, meaning instant spending and payroll and cross-chain streams and payments, right? So it's just making the Super App more valuable and more usable, and that is once again another good thing. Another one, perfect alignment, Dash equals fast payments, Zebec equals real-time payment rails. So Dash was literally built for digital cash, and as we know, Zebec, it's built for continuous streaming and real-time payments, right? So together, they are going to create instant speed, they're going to create instant payroll, self-custody, they're going to do long-term Web3 financial infrastructures. And the long term is what I hope a lot of people are realizing, that all of these plays are long-term plays. Yes, maybe in the short term, it will spike price a little bit, get more views, but we have to think about the long-term play, and that is what Zebec is banking on, okay? And then lastly, supports long-term growth, which is what I was just talking about, right? You have more audits, you have more compliance, you have more reliability, you have more card programs, you can maybe tap into the corporate world. So everything is going into the right direction with Zebec. Now, not only that, they have also just talked about another partnership with Ghostware. Now, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I am most likely going to break this down because I want to be breaking down every single partnership so we know what they are doing, because it is important to know, it's important to understand, and it's exciting. I don't know if it's exciting to you guys the way it's exciting to me, but every time they do something new, I get excited because it just brings more trust and more growth that I have invested into the right project. Okay, so we are up in price on the week, down slightly in market cap, up slightly in volume, 89% bullish. We are so close to 90%. Let's get that to 90%, right? Obviously waiting for the Binance and the Coinbase listing. There is some speculations about Coinbase, so maybe we'll talk about that next week. See what the speculations out there in the world are. Now, when it comes to market structure, right? What did we talk about last time? I talked about this daily fair value gap. Let me mark it out for you guys, right? We closed above. We very simply retested it, pushed higher up, right? Okay, awesome. Now we want to continue pushing up. We are getting a little bit of a retracement. With this retracement happening right now, I would not be surprised if price wants to retrace into the safe zone, right? Into the safe zone, into the zone where there is money, where there's liquidity, and then possibly give us another push to the upside. It's going to be interesting to see because Bitcoin, once again, it's in a weird area, right? So it's in this weekly fair value gap and it's not sure. Does it want to break to the upside or does it want to break to the downside, right? And that's why the market this week has been up. It's been down for most coins. It's been 50-50. There is no clear direction really of where it wants to go. And I think that's why we're getting a little bit of chop in the market right now. Plus also today is a bank holiday. I want to say to all of my US viewers, happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for all of you guys for being here. It really means a lot to me. You guys are awesome, always supporting me on the Zebec videos, always liking it, commenting. I really believe in you guys. I really believe in the project. So let's get it, right? But just seeing market structure, right? We formed higher highs on the 4-hourly, right? Higher highs, higher lows. And now simply we have formed a lower high from our previous high and most likely going to form a lower low from this low, right? So we might be in a small bearish trend. I don't think it's anything too crazy, but it does seem like price wants to go down a little bit, maybe tap this area before giving us a reaction. And like I say in every video, this is a strong buying area still, right? I have been advocating for buys all the time, right? Buys, buys, buys. I want people to buy up because the project is so strong. I have so much trust and faith and belief that this project is going to do great things. And if you don't see it yet, you're going to see it soon. But look at all the things they're doing. Look at their roadmap. Look where they want to be, right? It is for the future. I really believe highs will be taken next year, okay? And that's going to be a very interesting time. And when market forms, market structure, that's going to be so interesting. I cannot wait. But for now, on the 4-hourly, because I have talked about Zebec already this week, so you guys kind of know my game plan on it. The short-term game plan for me, go down a little bit, test the zone, buy up, push up, right? Do we want to see a closure below it? No, I wouldn't want to really, right? Do I think we're going to get a closure below? I also don't think so. We already swept liquidity, right? We rebalanced the manipulation candle, which by the way, other altcoins have not, right? Let me see if I can like render, for example, right? Look at all of this that still has not been rebalanced. Will it get rebalanced? We don't know, but there is a possibility of it, right? But for Zebec, it has been rebalanced and it's fantastic. Liquidity has been swept. Manipulation has been rebalanced. You know, it's looking quite good. We closed above the fair value gap. So now we just need to wait. Is it possible that we trade kind of in this box in the next couple of days? Yeah, it is possible. But let me tell you guys, when we get a closure above here, volatility will spike. Price will start pushing to the upside. It'll be green and everyone's going to be happy. And that's what we're waiting for. Maybe there's some unhappy investors right now in Zebec. Me, not at all. Not phased, not panicked, not sad, not disappointed. I'm happy. I'm excited. These partnerships, they are pushing me forward. They are fueling my days. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little recap of their partnership. I'll be back tomorrow recapping another partnership. We'll be breaking it down, what it means, why it's important, right? If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment. Any questions, concerns, Zebec to the moon, write it in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to me. Make sure you guys do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see everybody in the next video.